Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this awesome Honda CBR650R, registered the 1st of March 2024 on a 24 plate with only 4,617 miles and presented in the stunning HRC-inspired Grand Prix Red Tricolour. Benefiting from full Honda main dealer service history, tinted screen, Evotech tail tidy, Evotech crash protection and a quickshifter. The Honda CBR650R is the go-to supersport bike for the real world. It handles sweetly, looks just like a Fireblade, and it's considerably roomier and more comfortable than the conventional sports bike. This bike has recently been serviced by Honda and would leave us with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection (PDI) and benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. Please note, a small £75 admin fee applies to all our bikes. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, along with a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, feel free to contact us at 014244448, WhatsApp us on 073598 37799, or via email at sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.